Wow.
Flowers, yes. What is that?
Wow.
What is it? Is that a hat? Yeah, it is. You know where it goes. Josie! Where's Josie? Where's Josie? Peekaboo! Do you have a nice new big hat? Wow! What a hat! With big flowers on it. What is that? Flowers? Be careful with the flowers, honey. Be careful, they'll fall off. To fix those. What is that? Is that a card? Thank you. That says Josie on it. That's your name.
Yeah.
May I hold your hat? What's that? You take the tissue out of it and then it's a hat. You see something else though. Oh. Want some help? Oh, Josie. It's pretty hats. Do you want to look in the mirror? That's a very colorful hat. It's hard to wear two at a time. Oh, she's heading for the mirror. You want to check your hat in the mirror? Okay, let's check out your hat in the mirror. Come here. I'll help you. It's your hat. Josie, look at Josie in the mirror. Look at your mirror. Look at the mirror, not the camera. Look at the mirror. What do you think of your hat? Do you like the hat? It's a hat. What do you think? Put your hat on. Put your hat on your head. Wow, you look beautiful. What do you think of that hat?
Hi.
Where's Josie?
Hi.
A peekaboo. Hi. Did you get a box full of hats?
Hi.
Did you get a box full of hats? How exciting. You better go check out that other hat. Alice does not need to wear a hat. Hat. Hi, kitty. Josie, Alice doesn't like hats. Those are hats for Josie. What is that? Take Granny send you a head? Is this a head with a fish and a face? Who's that? Is that a hat lady? Is that the hat lady?
Get this.
Yeah, here you go. It fell down. It's right here. Oh, it's another hat. Look. Oh, it's a floppy hat. That's a good peekaboo hat. Be careful with her earrings. I'm gonna put a hat on the lady's head. That doesn't go on your head. Those are flowers.
Oh.
Where's Josie?
Hi.
Hi. Nice hat. You want to check that one out in the mirror? You got something stuck on your shoe. Okay, I'll help you up. Say, Granny, thank you. Can you say thank you? Yes. Whoops. I don't think we got it on camera though. Okay. Tell Granny thank you. There you go. Granny sent you hats. Yay. Can you see where you're going?
Oh.
Wow. A box full of hats. Which one's going to be your favorite? Those are flowers. Are you looking for your flowers? Flower hat?